Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com Crocoin because we are spilling over a little bit. I want to take a look at Bitcoin and the overall crypto market cap as a whole because we're getting a little bit of a sell-off, but the important thing to look at here is Bitcoin dominance level. So let's hop in. So right now, Bitcoin dominance is increasing at 52.1%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's at about 54.10%. What we are seeing right now is a little bit of a sell-off. I am seeing still some meme coins running. I'm not going to say that this cycle within a cycle is quite done yet, but I think that as of right now, things are kind of just cooling off. A lot of people have probably stepped away from their charts, considering we're getting towards the later end of December. Lots of the holidays coming up, lots of Wall Street players are probably not paying too much attention here, so a lot of the money is sidelined. But all in all here, guys, people are taking profits. People are trading in quite some degenerate meme coins, and yes, you can make a lot of money doing that. I did make a 60x on my bonk investment, but it is very, very risky. It is a gamble. It's very, very difficult. But that being said, I do think that that is a sign that we need to get a little bit of a pullback. But that being said, I don't necessarily think that we will have a large pullback because, guys, we're getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin spot ETF deadline, which is happening in about a month from now. It's scheduled to be given an answer by January 10th. So we're about a month away, and the question is, will it be approved? The only way that I could see us really starting to spill over here is if there's a lot of fears that come up about it not being approved, or if there's a black swan event, which obviously is unpredictable. That's why it's called a black swan event. Do I think that the fears of it not being approved will happen? I mean, yes, I think that's possible, but I don't think that. I think the decision will be really the catalyst to really shoot us to the moon or bring us to the downside, whether it's a sell the news event or a buy the news event, which is quite uncommon, but it does happen if it's extremely bullish. But I really do get behind the idea here that if a Bitcoin spot ETF is approved, that doesn't mean that trillions of dollars are going to come into Bitcoin immediately. It's going to take a little bit of time, and I think that it's right on schedule, honestly. If it does get approved in January, it'll be perfect for our following the Bitcoin halving to start to have a nice run-up. I think that would work out perfectly. And that being said, I do think that there's a good chance that it is a sell the news event. Maybe first we get some quick spikes to the upside after it's approved, if it is approved, and then we come back down, maybe test 45,000. And yes, I do say 45,000 because I do think that if it does get approved, we probably will break out above 45,000. I think that that's an appropriate number. It's not asking for too much. I think it's appropriate. But I do also think that you should look at the move with a conservative eye because I do think that selling the news, being a sell of the news event is much more likely than a move that just skyrockets us to previous all-time highs at about 60K. I think that it's better to look at this with a conservative eye. Let's take a look over at Crocoin because Crocoin right now is spilling over. Some of the altcoins are selling off right now. We saw bonk down about 20% on the day. Very happy I took some profit. I still have my moon bag on bonk. I do think that when we're in full bull market mania that there'll be some extra profits to take advantage of. So I am holding a position on that still. But Crocoin right now selling off, breaking below key price level of 0.0992 cents, about 10 cents, breaking below that. I don't like seeing that, but that being said, guys, I mean, we've been playing around with this level for quite some time, and I do think that as long as Bitcoin decides to stay where it's at, and Bitcoin decides to get that last move up. Because let's zoom out here for a second and just talk about if a Bitcoin spot ETF does get approved in January, it's basically the green light saying, okay, we're going to have another Bitcoin hype cycle. Okay, after the halving, we're going to have another bull run. And if that's the case, you guys know what's going to happen. The first thing that new crypto investors are going to do when prices get euphoric is they're going to go on Google and type in crypto, and the first thing that's going to come up is crypto.com. Very important to keep that in mind, guys. But as of right now, We're chopping around, coming below 10 cents. Unfortunate, but be patient, guys. We'll probably be back above it sooner than you would expect. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. You can follow me there. I'm pretty active there. I do giveaways. We give away CRO, lots of other stuff. Yeah, it's a lot of fun over there. But also, please feel free to check out the description box below this video. I have some awesome referral links. $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet. Lots of awesome free money down below. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.